Good morning, students. So today we discuss about the SST topic Earth atmosphere. So in this diagram we see the different layer of Earth: exosphere, thermosphere, mesospheres, stratospheres, and troposphere. That was the different layer of Earth. So we discuss this layer. The structure of atmosphere. Firstly, I describe the troposphere. This is the proportion we live in and is therefore most familiar to us. This was very familiar to us. In the troposphere, on an average, the temperature decrease at rate of 1 C with every 165 mils cents. So that was the decrease the temperature on this layer. Stratosphere. It provides visibility at its finest. Aircraft fly through this layer because it facilitates visibility and easiest flight conditions. So in this layer we provide the facility of easiest flying conditions. So next one, mesosphere. This layer conditions ozone layer. So this layer contains the ozone layer, or which is an important part of the layer of atmosphere. That was very important because they contain the ozone layer. So that layer was very important. Thermosphere. In the layer part of this ion particles are present when are electrically charged and play an important role in our wireless communication. So thermosphere layer is important for the communication. Air and its composition. So in this diagram we see the oxygen in 21%, nitrogen is 78%, and other gases 1%. So that was the contribution of the different gases. So nitrogen is indirectly used to us. Plants absorb nitrogen through soil for their growth and development. Oxygen is known as life supporting gas. Oxygen is absorbed by the human beings and animals. Carbon dioxide, it is absorbed by the plants and released by the human beings and animals. Warning: increase in carbon dioxide in atmosphere is serious concern for atmosphere. Ozone hole. So serious concern for us. The picture depicts ozone hole. In this picture we show the hole. So this hole is in the sky, which tell us how we are caring for our mother earth. So this hole is describe the how we care our mother earth. So what is the causes of this hole? Firstly, deforestation, urbanization, pollution, wastage of resource, and immoral attitude. That 5 causes the whole. We can say that the ozone hole is in this earth. Pollutants in the air. Pollutants like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and lead particles are the main cause of serious threats for the environment and human beings. Smoke. The smoke particles, when combined with fog from smoke, diseases. The above particles cause diseases like irrigation in eyes, skin diseases, respiratory diseases. So that diseases which occur in this pollution, smoke, fog, that was these diseases with this invented in this effects. Pollutants in the air. In comparison, developed countries cause more pollutions than developing countries. For further information, study Kyoto Protocols of United Nations. So they are studying about the pollutants in the air. Device to measure air pressure. So we see this device that we measure the air pressure. This device is an anemometer. It is used to measuring wind, Speed N is a common weather station instrument. Device to measure air pressure. This device is used to measure the air pressure. This device name is barometer. The device is used to especially for measuring air pressure. This device is used to measure the humidity. So here this device is a psychrometer. This device is used to measure humidity. Device to measure rainfall. Device to measure. This device is a thermometer. As we know, thermometer is to measure body temperature or food temperature. It also used for air temperature. So barometer is thermometer is used in a measure the body temperature, food temperature, and also air temperature. Mechanism of rainfall. As the hot air rises, it reaches high in the atmosphere, whether it cools down due to the presence of low temperature. The weather vapors in the air condense into tiny droplets and join together and form clouds. Due to further cooling, they become larger droplets. Hence, they fall down as rainfall or snow. So that was the mechanism of rainfall. Monitoring weather condition. How we monitoring weather condition? Monitoring weather is very helpful in forecasting of temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind velocity, sunrise and sunset. We see the newspaper or we see in also net कि they describe the all weather condition of our country. So thank you students.